Hello, and welcome to this overview of how to grade in Google Classroom. In this tutorial, you'll see that we are already in our practice class. To do grading, there's a couple ways you can do it. The way I'm going to show you first is to go through the classwork page. So you would click on classwork, and then it would show you all the different topics that you have, as well as some assignments that are inside there. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on the turned in, and it's going to bring us to a screen where we can see the name of the assignment, how many people have turned it in, how many have it as an assignment but have yet to turn it in, as well as the submissions that were actually submitted. We also see over here an area where we can enter a grade if we already know what that grade will be, or we can actually click and see the submission. And once we see the submission, you'll notice a new tab opens where we get into a detailed look where we can do a lot of different things. From here, it's going to tell us the name of our student, but will also give us the opportunity to advance to the next student. And when we advance to the next student, it'll tell us their status. For example, this student, it says turned in. And if we were to click to the right, it would show us the next student and show us their status if they turned it in or if it was just assigned to them, which means they have yet to turn it in. Here is what the actual submission was. And then off to the right, we have the opportunity to insert things from our comment bank if we've created one, so that we can use frequent comments without having to type them over and over and over again. You can create them here and insert them from here. This is showing us what was actually submitted. Here's another opportunity to enter a grade for this assignment. And down here is where we can add private comments for this user. We also have the opportunity to return the assignment to the student from here. So I'm going to go ahead and close this tab and show you the other way we can get to this exact same area. So that was from going through our classwork page. The other way you can do the exact same thing is to actually go to the Grades tab, which will open the gradebook, and it will show you all the assignments. PSAT upload is the one that we were just looking at. So what I'd like to do is click on PSAT upload, and it's going to take me right back to that screen where I can see who's turned it in, who has it as an assignment, and what they've submitted. And once again, to get back to that detailed look screen, all I do is I click on the submission, a new tab opens, and we are right back to the screen for the details of grading. And I have all those same options again to look at the next student, to return, add from the comment bank, add a grade, and add a private comment. So that's a very brief overview of how you do grading in Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.